Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving north from Georgia towards Agualta Vale, St. Mary Parish. We are driving on the A3 Agualta Vale to Broadgate Road, also the A3 Junction Main Road. Entering Agualta Vale. On the left is the St. Mary Banana Estate. Entering the Robert Schuman Roundabout. The second exit to the right here will take you to Annotto Bay, Portland Parish and the other places. On the right is the St. Mary Banana Chips Factory. We have made the left on the first exit to Agualta Vale, Robbins Bay, Rosend, Port Maria and the other places. We are now driving on the A3 Agualta Vale to Martins Road, also the Northern Coastal Highway. Crossing the Wag Water River, and we are driving on the Wag Water Bridge, which houses the old Boardwalk to Port Antonio railway line. On the right is Jamaica Aggregates Limited, a quarry and mining company. To the left you can find Agualta Vale Relift Station, same as the Agualta Vale Pumping Station. Crossing the Haughton River. The Boardwalk to Port Antonio railway line was in operation from 1896 to 1978. but was temporarily closed from 1975 to 1977. The line was 54 miles, approximately 87 kilometers long. Public pressure forced the government to reopen the Port Antonio line in 1977. This extension went through the banana, cocoa, citrus and coconut districts of St. Catherine, St. Mary and Portland. On the left is the Belfield Road, same as Belfield Main Road, Belfield Works Road or the Clermont to Orange Hill Road. Crossing Waters River. Entering Rosend and also Water Valley. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.